Welcome to Yodel's new event catalog page, where managing your plugins just got easier. From this new page, you can now edit or feature events, add or remove events from any of your plugins, and with our new grouping feature, you can group like events together. So let's take a quick look. You'll land on the All Events tab, which will show you all of the events in Yodel within a 10-mile radius of your address. You can easily adjust that here. And you can see all of your available plugins in your account. So let's check out the family-friendly calendar. Here I can see all of the events I've already featured and all of the events that will appear on this calendar. On any of these events, I can easily add or remove it from any of my existing plugins. I can feature the event in the exact same way. I can edit anything about this event, like the title, the venue name, categories, and tags. And finally, with our new grouping feature, I can group this event with other related or duplicate events. Here's how this works. Select the group icon here, select the related event that you'd like to group it with, select group, give it a title and a description, and our system will automatically group those together for you. We hope you'll enjoy using this new event catalog page to manage your plugins. Please contact our support team if you have any questions.